Good morning, children. This is Dhani Saxena, and I'll teach you computer. Now, today we'll start with the first chapter, operating system. What is an operating system? Uh, we- an operating system can be defined as a program that acts as an intermediary between a user and computer hardware. It interfaces with the application software and BIOS in order to permit application to interact with computer hardware. It lays down the foundation on which computer components are run and the application are executed. Means operating system is an program which create interaction between user and hardware. Means without operating system, user cannot connect with the hardware. Hardware cannot connect with the user. Means it is a platform, or you can say track, on which user and software or hardware meet or process each together. As you can see in the picture, operating system is between the user and hardware. User and application user and application give and take process, or give and take work or task, or can say command, give to the operating system, and operating system give to the hardware. User give the task to the application give the task to the operating system give to the task hardware. After performing the task by the hardware, it give to the return to the operating system take output and give to the application give the output to the user. Software type. How many types of software? The software in a computer broadly divided into two types: system software and the second is application software. System software, these are the program designed to control the operation of a computer. Means system software is a software which inbuilt into the computer, which use only the purpose of hardware. They use only hardware purpose. And the application software are a computer uses an application software to do tasks given by the user. The application software are the software which is used for the user. User do work on the application software. It give input to the user. Application take input, give to the operating system take it and give to the hardware perform the task and give the output to the application, and application give output to the user. Now next, function of an operating system. There are many types of function in the operating system: process management, job accounting, memory management, secondary storage, file management, process management, device management, networking, security, coordination between other software and users. But now in this chapter and in this topic we'll discuss only four management of the operating system, which are process management, memory management, file management, and the last is security management. Memory management. The OS is responsible for the following function in relation to memory management. Means OS are responsible for all the purpose of operating system. It is responsible for all the work of computer. Among them, first is memory management. Allocation and deallocation of memory according to requirement. Operating system perform the task allocation and deallocation of memory according to requirement. Means operating system preserve the memory and delete the memory according to the requirement in the computer. Second, keep record of which part of memory is currently in use, how much is it is used, by whom it is used. Means it keep the record of the person of the user, means how much is used data, how many is used data, whom is used the data, and currently what use in what use in process. The last is decide which process to allocate memory first when free space is available. It also decide the or take the decision, means which process is to allocate them. There are many tasks performed inside the computer simultaneously. Then so operating system think and decide which process to allocate memory first and then free space is available. The second is file management. The OS is responsible for the following function in relation to file management: creation or deletion of file. It also check which type of file it has to delete or which it has to create. Creation or deletion of directories. It also check which type directory it has to delete or which type of directory it has to create. Directory is a space where we store our data, where it is stored our whole data of the computer and of the user. Creation, creating backup or file on storage media. It also create a backup of the file on storage media, hard disk, permanent memory are the in which it create a backup of file on storage media. Mapping of file on secondary storage. It mapping create a maps or copy of the file in secondary storage, it means hard disk. Manipulation of file and directories and communication with different files. It manipulate the file and directories and communicate with the different file. Process management. What are the process management? As you can understand the name process, it means ki what are the process running inside the computer. It also manage that things. The OS is responsible for the following function in relation to process management: when to create or delete a process, means what are the process going on. It check and decide which type process it has to create and which type of process it has to delete inside the computer. When to suspend or resume process, many type of process going on. It has to check that which process has to suspend, means stop, or resume, means continue. How to handle deadlocks. It also has to decide how to handle deadlock, in the sense they in many processes are going inside the computer, and but no need but what type of process has to what type of process create a interrupt in the process. It handle it and stopped it. Establishing communication among various process. It create a good communication between the various process. As I told you, there are many processes are going inside the computer. It has to check, it has to watch, and it has to take a decision which type of process has to communicate and has to not communicate. So it establish or create a communication among various of process. Resource management. An operating system perform the following role in resource management. As you understand the meaning resource management, resource means is provide a resource or facility to the process. An operating system perform the following role in resource management. It keep track of the process. I told you in my previous management कि there are many types of process going on inside the computer, so it has to keep track, it has to keep the process that have hardware and software requirement. It assign the hardware or software to a process. It has also assign or give the process task, as you can also task, or you can also can action command to the hardware or software for the process. It keep track of process that require the same hardware and software simultaneously. It also keep the process uh, according to the hardware requirement and software requirement simultaneously, which means which type of process, which type of task, which type of command is required to the hardware or software simultaneously.